Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Dreame D20 Plus. If you're interested in the D20 Plus or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we have our D20 powered on. The lights are illuminated up at the top. We're going to open this cover to reveal our Wi-Fi indicator button, and then we have to the left of it a little reset button. So how do we reset it? Grab a SIM removal tool or something really small, and you're going to press this reset button to the left of the blinking light. Hold it down for a couple of seconds.
Restoring to factory settings.
Let go when you hear the unit kind of start up internally and we get that voice prompt that it's restoring. Now we can shut the lid. You'll notice the lights are off and we wait. Good sign there, hearing some music.
Welcome to use Dreame Robot. Please open Robot's cover and scan QR code to download Dreame Home app to view more operations.
Lights are back on. We got that initial startup prompt there. Now it'll be time to reset everything up just like it's brand new out of the box again. So that's it. Simple and straightforward to factory reset your Dreame D20 Plus.